This is your website. Yeah, the reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I'm being trained in website design and I want to show you a website that you might like. This is the website. My boss figures that an agency could get like $1,200 to $1,500 or more for a website like this. I would add your photos in this gallery link and this link. And of course, your contact details on this link together with the map on the side here. Now, if you have any other informations that services that you want to add on this link, you can also do that. And about the company, we can add the company profile here. Now, if this website would be good for you, please do me a favor and hit the reply. Let me know. If not, no big deal. I forgot to mention my name is Julie and I am working at Agent of More Marketing in Red Tier. Talk to you soon.